What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mike.
And I'm Kay.
And this week we have a...
And we're Blacks of the Future.
That too. This week we have a cooking video for you. We wanted to change it up, do something a little different. So we will be making a...
Jibarito.
Yeah, what she said. So basically it's like a sandwich, but we use plantains
instead of bread.
We're going to use salmon. We're going to air fry some salmon. Garlic mayo base sauce. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you enjoy it enough, we'll make you
we'll make you one.
Yeah, exactly. We'll do another video. So let's get the party started. All right, so here we have our salmon fillet. We're going to do actually put a little bit of flaxseed oil. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on here because usually with the fillets or with fish, it doesn't really, with seasoning, it doesn't really hold well. So I'm going to just put a little bit on there to coat it on.
What's that you just added?
This is just
Rio.
seasoning. We got some. I probably should have put a mask on because every time I put a little bit of pepper on here, I always start sneezing, and I really didn't want to sneeze today. Then we got here Miss Dash. Did you see it? Sorry.
Gotcha.
And I don't really designate how much to put on. I just do it till it looks about right.
Who tells you it's right? Who tells you it's right, Michael?
Nobody.
No, please.
Well, that's when people say their ancestors tell them when it's right.
That's looking real seasoned.
Do you think it's over seasoned? I don't think it will be. Now, also, we talked about cutting this. You want to cut it? You said into thirds? Half?
Or that you can probably get
strips?
4. Yeah, strips. You could probably get like 4 or 5 pieces out of that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. And make sure you wash your hands. You didn't see me wash my hands earlier, but I did.
Nope, not that way.
Why?
This way. You cut it this way. This way. This way. That's huge.
Okay. Is that better?
Yeah, that's better. That's about right.
Is that good?
That looks fine to me.
It looks fine to her. You can't go wrong, ladies and gentlemen. You can't go wrong. Alright, so we got our air fryer here. The air fryer here. We got the air fryer here. What we did is put a little bit of tin foil on the bottom to help for cleaning after the fact. We're gonna put a few pieces of our salmon in here. Alrighty, so put it in. Put it on our fish setting. And
did you raise the temperature? What's the temperature?
No, I didn't touch temperature.
Okay. 330?
Yeah, we left it on what it was on before.
Whatever the fish is. So that's gonna go for
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
And we'll check back on that later.
Alright. Here we have our Jamaicans say plantain, Americans say plantains, I don't know. We have our plantains here, and we have 4 of them, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them in half. I'm gonna keep them whole. This is gonna be different. Everybody judges how I do stuff because I'm left-handed, so it looks weird. But I promise you, it's getting done. So we're just gonna cut those in halves. I'll peel them, wash them. And I love toast donuts. Like, I'll just make toast donuts for me and Michael to just snack on or eat. So and I have my pot going right now. I'm gonna fry them in some rapeseed oil, avocado oil. And I'll be back when I'm ready to put them in the pot. So now we're gonna add our plantains to our medium heat avocado oil. Lord Jesus, I don't think this pot is big enough for this one. That's okay. We're gonna make it work. And I have gloves on because I got a boo-boo. Got a boo-boo earlier. I want that to fry, get nice and golden on both sides, and then we're going to take it back out. Add a tiny bit more oil just so it can meet it halfway up. Yes, that's a lot of oil.
What's the difference between plantains and
bananas?
Yeah.
I think they're just big, like a big cousin, really.
They seem a lot firmer though too.
Well,
or is it just because they're not ripe?
Right. It would be the same thing. It's just I feel like it's just a different version of a banana. A more adult, mature version of a banana. You know, I might have to look that up and get back to you. Because even my mom was like, yeah, you can eat plantains raw, like you eat a banana. And I was like, huh?
That kind of makes sense.
But yeah, like if you can do it with a banana, why would you be able to do it with a plantain? But nah. I've only ever had it cooked. And you can see this one was getting a little ripe. It's a little bit orangey in these spots. It's not as yellow as that. We'll just leave that and let that fry up, and I'll come back when they're all fried.
All right, now we're gonna do our sauce. So it's gonna be mayonnaise base here. We'll do 4 or 5 spoonfuls of mayonnaise. And some ketchup here.
How much ketchup is that?
I don't know, seem right. That's good.
Your ancestors told you?
I told you. A little bit of hot sauce for kick here.
Your hands in the way.
Sorry. It's because it's count. Okay. And then a little bit of garlic powder.
A little bit more. That should be good. Yep. Maybe you say so. Whoa, what do you think? More? A tiny bit. A little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Good. I wonder how this usually adds a chunk of garlic. Yeah, I'll say anything. Now this is sugar-free ketchup because one of us is trying to be super healthy.
So here we have our cinnamon, and you can see it looks really good, and it's ready to go. All our plantains.
So we're just gonna smash it. This is like therapy.
Stuck.
Yeah, but that's okay.
You put some oil on the bottom.
Let's go pop this back. Oh no.
Came apart.
Yeah, but I can bend it. I think. Let's just drop this one back in the pot.
This one.
And then we'll flip that, and then we'll fry the rest, and then assemble it. Okay, it's time to assemble the food. All right, we got our fried pieces of plátanos. All of a sudden I'm Spanish. And we have our salmon here. So, okay, all right.
It's hard. Maybe you should have sprayed down that first.
I thought we did, but okay. All right, we gonna get this together. Hold on. Oh, okay, that's good. So we're just gonna lay that on top. Alright, let's bring this piece over too. So that's our first piece. And we're just gonna get some of our sauce here. This for you, baby.
What?
This for you. This piece.
It was just cut it in half and we'll try it.
Okay.
What?
I said okay.
Already said it.
We're gonna put some onions for some crunchy. It's optional if you want to add cheese. I'm Gucci with the cheese for now. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lettuce. And then we're just gonna add another one on top, like so. Get the angle though. That looks great. And we're just gonna come on top and just cut that in half like so. Get the yum yum on the inside.
Okay. Can you give it a taste test?
Okay, I'll take the smaller piece. Alright. I feel like I need some. I like sauce though. Alright, let's try. I'm excited. Okay. It's good, y'all. It's so good. You wanna try it?
Yeah, I'll try.
The onions. Oh, junk. The salmon? Babe, you put your foot in that salmon.
I didn't really have to do anything. I just put it in the air fryer.
Michael.
Yep.
This is good. Michael.
So what is the verdict? Are we doing this again?
Oh yeah.
Definitely.
Oh yeah.
And even for the time to do it, it's really not that time consuming. Like, what would you say, 15, 20 minutes max?
15. Yeah, 20 minutes.
Cool.
You gotta try this, babe.
Okay. Try just as it is first, and then I'll add some more sauce. Mmm.
More sauce, right?
I can see, yeah. Because the salmon itself, it doesn't hold the moisture as much. So the sauce I definitely had.
Wow.
That was really good.
Well, people, we about to go eat our dinner.
Yeah, we're about to throw it down real quick. But
Jeff about to throw it
thanks
down.
for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed our video. If you like it a lot, like we said earlier, we'll do more cooking videos. We enjoy cooking together. It's our way of
Bonding.
Yeah, we have a good time. Experimenting a little bit. Life is really easy. If you have an air fryer, it does make a lot of cooking easier. Also, I do use a George Foreman grill a lot too. Personally, just because I'm not the best cook, I guess.
He's getting there, guys.
I'm trying. But yeah, we appreciate y'all coming today and joining us, and hopefully we will see you next week. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Maybe throw in the comments what you want to see us cook next time.
All right, people.